when I was trying to remember that poem. It's not about the boat in the ocean, right? It's all about the motion, or how it was. Final sentence. Oh, really? 3, 4, 300x or 3? Well, I cannot do it here in that situation, so why not? Motion in the ocean. We have doubles on 5 and 2. That's 12. Trisha, take my money, rule out my, and X, SFPX, and the random numbers. Compliments. And take my money is actually that's happening in the reverse because you're taking out money. You're the worst always. I cannot do it. What else I'll be reading tonight about myself? 500x for 18. Yeah, I see you too. Doubles on. Wait a second. Doubles on 6 and 2. And that's 14. 4x for the doubles. Congratulations. MJ. What does that MJ stands for? The only thing which comes into my mind is like Mary Jane Watson, a lady of the Spider-Man. By the way, pretty soon you gotta be having a new host, and yes, you'll be able to do something good. Don't tell him bad things though. 1,000 for 3. Don't be such a minis. 1, 5, and 6. To my colleague, take my money, my Modar, Taylor, and Jawad. Congratulations. New round. Plays the best. Make it happen. Somebody unknown joined. Oh, it's Slick. Get a bit Coopers and the others. Oh. How'd you do here already for like? Another 1,000 for 3. Milashka, Msienka, Sobush. Welcome, guys, to the Lightning Dice 1 for 5. That's a 10. Don't forget about Mama. 18, he will not. You're talking about me or you're talking about my colleague? Because as far as I know, my colleague is being quite lucky because when I'm working quite close to that place, I'm hearing how he screams. And he does not scream for nothing. So he's giving you something good. 100x for 70. And it's 4, 5, and 6. Guess what? We have 15 this time. Embarrassing now? What exactly? They're finished? Like you're saying that you're leaving? In a good way or in a bad way? Cheeky Boo was here, no? No. I'm seeing things already. Anyway, final thing, still the moment when we're gonna learn about the like. Ah, come on, don't go in that direction. 50x for 8. That direction. What is this? Doubles and 2 and 6, and guess what? It's a 10. And yes, again, it's Bobby. So, enjoy.
All right. All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the Bobby. Bobby's here. Time. I don't know, collect the money or give the money. I don't decide, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you know to give the money back. What do we got? 8, 14, 16, 18, 300x multiplied for the 18. Good luck. Wow, we got a double 4 and 1. So we got a 9. Continue win. Mother. Try shoot top of the winners for betting job. Betting down. Please go. I only started my session. You're already running. Please go. Please go. Okay. Did you catch like some big wins? Like big lights? 500x, 1000x, 250. Some triples. Triple 1, 6. No, we got 8, 10, 11, and 13. 10x multiplied for the 13. Good luck. Alright, let me check. We got 4, 2, and 1. So we got is 7. And why you talk the winners? Jakarta commander the Bobby. But in time, what does it mean? Can translate somebody what he did right in the chat? Just don't know. Did he tell okay, Bobby, we need money? Or you know, Bobby, you're the most one host. Please go away from here. Collection station 2. Wow. Second part, yeah? 7, 9, 25, X multiplied for the 9. Good luck. We got 6, 4, and 3. Inside of we got a 13, it's a high. And my top of the winner. How? What how? Hello, Addy Wanny. Welcome to Sponsor Betting Time. Suki Y, Suki T, welcome as well. 5 seconds and ladies and gentlemen. Here we go, so 5 seconds. Not bad. What do we got? 3, 4, 10, and 30. 300 X multiplied for the free. Good luck. What do we got? It's a friend double 2. So what do we got? A 7. M1, K-A-Y, Suki Y, Cotton C. Top of the minutes, well-player batting time. Look for the one to make the decision. Last Christmas, I gave it my heart. Next day, you give it away. Hello, company, Davy. So David, not bad. What do we got? 3, 4, 17, 500 X multiplied for the 17. Good luck. Wow, we get double 1 and 5. Top of the got is 7. And 1K, Y Ponty, CB1 Quanti. Top of the business, well, bad job, betting time. Luck for the one to make the decision, ladies and gentlemen. So many times we catch a 7. Actually, it's Bobby's lucky one number. I have 2 lucky numbers, 7 and 21. You already so many times catch it, there's 7. Not bad. What do we get? 4, 14, 15, 100 X multiplied for the 4. Good luck. Let me check that we got 3, 4, and 2. And so we got a 9. It's hello, CLMY. Hello, Chris, Ali. With me. I'll be welcome as well. It's a bidding time. Luck for everyone to make the decision, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have some questions about game rules, how to play, just feel free to write in the chat. Join this game. Alright, so 5 seconds. Here we go. Not bad. So what we got? 4, 9, 11, 100 X multiplied for the 4. Then we got double 5 and 6. But we got a 16. High with the double. Alright, MY, top of the well played job, betting time. Let's continue the game. Pick up the dice, get ready for the next round. Hello, I'm Handy. London, AC, AK, GNR, welcome as well. So 5 seconds, good luck for the one to make decision. Mr. Nobody, welcome. We get 3, 4, 7, and 50, 300 X multiplied for the free. Good luck. We get 3, 2, and 1. And out of the gat 6, we get low. Backstroll, you top of the winner. Just take my money as normal. Bidding time. I don't want to take your money. I would like to give everybody money, you know? 5 seconds. Hello, Buffett. Welcome. So 5 seconds. We got 8, 15, 16, 256 multiplied for the 16. Good luck. Now we get 5, 4, and 2. Top of the cat 11. My CL. Good job, the winner. Hello, Gerber. Rossi, welcome as well. So betting time. Good luck for the one-to-one decision. Pick up the dice, ladies and gents. Get ready for the next round. Hello, Chris. Hello, RCG. Hello, WD. Hello, HI. Welcome as well. So 5 seconds. Right now, bad. What do we got? 4, 11, 256 multiplied for the 4. Good luck. Wow, we got a double 6 and 3. Inside of we got a 15 with double and high. Right. And white top the winner. Hello, Ragnar. Betting time. Then somebody was watching like on the Netflix like a new TV show Wednesday. It's about Adams and families have daughter Wednesday and sends a daughter to the special school. It's like a detective TV show, but really good one. I watched it also old version. 4, 5, 12, 100 X multiplied for the 4. Recommend to watch. Alright, we got 6 free and 2. And total we got 11. MY, Badgero, Mater, Justin, you top the winners for a job. Betting time, so good luck for the one to decision. Last Christmas, I gave it my heart. Next day, you gave it to me. Do you like singing, ladies and gents? Did you ever try to go to karaoke? No, I'm back. 5 8 and 18, 300, some more about 18. Good luck. Right, we got double 5 and 1. In total, we got 11 of the double. No any lights, ladies and gents. I don't know. Lights are tired. It's Tuesday. Time to go sleep, betting time. Lights are slipping. Somebody need to warm up, okay? Wake up the lights, you know. Let's go. We need some more positive energy from the chat to wake up the lights, ladies and gentlemen. What is happening here? 6 and 15, FedEx multiply for the 6 and 15. Good luck. We got 5, 2, and 1. And total we got 8. Salute. So nobody wants to wake up the lights, yes? Everybody wants to say, there's no lights, there's no lights. We need to, wake up the lights, ladies and gents. We need more energy. More energy, and I think we can make it together. Okay, something really nice. Coley woke up. 650 and high 30, 75 weeks multiplied for the 6. Good luck. Available just inconvenience. Oh, mad reroll procedure, ladies and gentlemen. A few seconds. Alright, what do we got? It's a triple 2. Total we got is 6 with 75x multiplier for the 6. Am I top the winner? Alright, this one was really nice one round because we got 75x multiplier for the 6. Like at least some lights this time. So we'll see what will be next round. Like better want to make a decision, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, Patty, welcome as well. And now that's it. What we got is 6 and low, 100x multiplier for the 6. Good luck. Yeah, misclick. And double 3 and 2. And total we got 8 and more. You top the winner, well played job. Betting time. Hello, Callie, Roxanne, welcome as well. Alright, no more lights and triples now. But you never know, maybe after a few rounds we'll catch this. Just lucky one triple 6 or triple 1 with 1,000x for 500x. You never know when it will appear. 3, 7, 12 and high 1,000x multiplier for the free. Good luck. And then we got 6 free and 2. In total we got 11. Hello, am I? CL Mater. Job the winning so far. Job. Betting time, so good luck for the one to be decision, ladies and gentlemen. Pick up the dice. Hello, Jenny. How are you doing? How is going to your life, Jenny? How are you doing? It's this lovely Tuesday night. Not bad. Hello, Chatter Ali. 411. High 100. Multiplied for the 4. Good luck. Woo! Yeah, buddy. We catch it. We catch it. We catch it. Triple 1. Da 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 da. Ba ba. Here we go. Fastly top the winner. Good one round. Triple 1. Betting time. Yeah. That one is good one round. Yeah, it's not the lights, but still, triple 1 is really good one. There's a really nice one payout. If I was second. Hello, Diana. You'll be welcome as well. And now that's easy, bumpy. 5, 7, 12, and 17, 250x multiplier for the 17. Okay, 6 free and 2. Total we got 11. Marder. Top the winner. Oh, one for all the lines as always. That's sad betting time. Yeah, but we can not. That was option don't cash at all like a triple 1. At least we catch it. It's already nice, you know. Yeah, without the lights, but still, it's also a good one. So I need to tell thanks at least for triple one. 6, 11, 80 double and triple 100x multiplier for the triple. Here we got 6, 5, and 6, 5, and 3. So if we get a full genie, it's a high. Okay, shoot up the winners. Bidding time. I remember, many times I get a situation like we catch like a triple one or triple six with like a 300x, with 500x, but first, not 1000x. So sad. Come on, yeah. No, but for the players, it's always not enough. 670 and a low 100x multiplied for the 17. Good luck. Now we got double 5 and a 6. Now we got a 16 with double and high. Hello, Fossy, welcome to Lighting Dice Betting Times available. Good luck for the one. Let's pick up the dice and get ready for the next round. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, Diogo. Jonathan, welcome to the round. 1 second. No, scrub boy, welcome down bad. So what do we got? 3, 5, and 500x multiplied for the 3. Good luck. We got 5, 3, and 1. What do we got? 9. Roger, that was the winner. Hello, Brian. MVP is Andy. Welcome. Betting time is available. Be like for the one to make decision, ladies and gentlemen. 5 seconds. Good luck for the one to make decision, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so 5 seconds. Good luck for the one to make decision. Now, better we got 8, 17, triple, and long 100x multiplied for the 17. Good luck. Oh, do we get 5 and double 2? Thought we got a 9. Modern, top of the minute. Lolai, okay. Jared, welcome to Betting Time is available. Like for the one to make decision, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have some questions, feel free to write in the chat. Joe's game. 5 seconds. Good luck for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. So what do we got now? Back we got 15, double 100x multiplied for 17. Good luck. All right, here we get 5, 3, and 2. How do we get a 10? Scouterman.